The stock market today presents a towering, unbroken structure, hitting new record highs, driven entirely by high-velocity technological progress. Beneath the surface, the internal load-bearing supports have shifted, introducing a hidden engineering flaw into the foundation. This is structural fragility. It describes a system that stays upright while relying on a dangerously small number of pillars. Looking at the S&P 500, 10 mega-cap companies have expanded to command nearly 40% of the entire index's value. This massive concentration means broad market performance is now tethered to one single investment theme: artificial intelligence. Investors buying index funds for safety are exposing themselves to a tightly coupled system with a massive single point of failure. To see the pressure on that single point of failure, we have to look at the physical costs of the AI boom. These mega-cap firms are deploying capital at record levels in a high-intensity infrastructure supercycle. Hundreds of billions of dollars are flowing out immediately to hoard hardware and secure energy grids. These cash outflows are massive and immediate. By contrast, the actual revenue generated from enterprise AI adoption remains delayed and speculative. The cash leaving these companies is a certainty. The financial returns required to justify that spend are purely aspirational. Separate logos create the impression of internal diversification. However, every one of these megacaps relies on the same critical suppliers and the same processor ecosystem. They are all racing to build the same type of data centers at the same time, hitting the same constraints for power and labor. They're even competing for the exact same base of corporate buyers. These companies share the same risk factor. Any slowdown in corporate AI adoption hits every one of them simultaneously. Passive index funds and ETFs act as a hidden amplifier for this lack of diversification. Passive funds mechanically bought more AI companies as they grew, funneling capital to the top. If AI monetization slows, this loop violently reverses. A small valuation dip triggers mechanical ETF selling. Shrinking index weights force a cascade, dragging down completely unrelated sectors regardless of health. Passive flows act as a mechanical amplifier, accelerating the speed and severity of a market decline. When that architecture cracks, it triggers an AI depreciation storm. A 25 to 50% correction in the megacap leaders alone mathematically forces the entire broad index down by 20 to 40%. A sharp drawdown represents a structural repricing of assets the market had priced for absolute perfection. AI remains a powerful long-term megatrend. The danger lies specifically in the market's current risk architecture. The storm occurs when too much passive capital chases an assumption of absolute certainty too quickly. Investors must look past the illusion of index fund safety and calculate the indirect exposure hidden in their own portfolios. Stop outsourcing your understanding of money to automated systems. Scrutinize the true return on investment of what you own and take full control of your financial architecture. This is DIY economics. Keep building.